host Manvi, and today we are going to do a Nykaa skincare haul. And this is heavy. All of the skincare products that I'm going to talk about are bought with my own money. No PR, no sponsorship. So let's go. I have some new eye creams, new serum, some new sleeping mask, and some moisturizers. So I'm just going to play around with these skincare products, do some hand swatches, give you my first impressions. It's a very chill video. So bring your snacks and let's get going. Alright, so let's start with the new Hyaluronic Acid Serum by Auto-replenishing. Let me just say that I actually like the packaging. So let's do a hand swatch of this serum first and let's see if this passed the Hyaluronic Acid Serum test. Pumping it out. Pump is not that great, honestly. Consistency of this serum definitely reminds me of ordinary hyaluronic acid serum. It's gooey, thick and nice. So let's do the test now. I'm just going to pump the rose water on my hand, which is treated with hyaluronic acid. And let's see if it holds the rose water. And yeah, it does. Do you see that? I did use this serum last night on my skin and my first impressions were like, nice. And kiddies, don't forget to do a patch test on your hand, on your arms before trying it on your face, okay? Also, I was like trying to read the ingredient list and the first ingredient is sodium hyaluronate, which is a form of hyaluronic acid. And second ingredient is water. It also has ceramide complex, which is amazing. Like ceramide and hyaluronic acid are amazing together. But there's no mention of the percentage of hyaluronic acid. I will mail them or I will check their website and let you know. First impressions of the serum is like I have high hopes. Alright, now let's talk about Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Recovery Complex. Now I've been wanting to try this eye cream from a long time, but I never had the courage to spend so much money. But I recently saw the mini of it, so I got it and it's for 1500 rupees and the quantity is 5 ml. So let's open it. I've been wanting to try this eye cream for a long time. So this is how it looks. It's a very tiny tub. Should I show you the hand swatch of this cream as well? It's thicker than the Advanced Night Repair Serum. This hand swatch is going to be very expensive. I did try it last night on my eyes and honestly I did not see much difference, but I just tried it for one night, so I will test it for at least 1 month and then give you my final verdict, so look forward to it. This one I invested in eye creams. I also got the Klairs Fundamental Awakening Eye Gel. I used this eye gel for 2 nights so far, but I can see the difference already and it looks promising, honestly. So I will use it and update you on my opinions and thoughts after 1 month. I also got the Karma Ayurveda Kumkumadi Telum and it was on my wish list from forever. It was of $1,000, but oh my god, like I have already used it in 2 nights and I loved this oil. I think it's gonna be a permanent in my skincare recommendations. I also got the rose water toner. I've been looking for a dupe for Karma Ayurveda rose water toner and I've tried so many rose water toners. Nothing came close to Karma Ayurveda. Will the Nature Tattva rose water come close to Karma Ayurveda? Let's see. So let's spritz it on my hand. Nice. First impression, pump is good. Like I would have to compare it with Karma Ayurveda one and I will update you after trying it for some time. I did try it last night on my skin and so far I was like, okay, it's moisturizing, lightweight and it can be a dupe for Karma Ayurveda, but I'm not saying anything officially right now, okay? You will have to wait for at least a month for that. So now let's try the Neutrogena Emulsion. Now it is different from the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Neutrogena Hydro Boost is supposed to be for oily skin types and Neutrogena Emulsion is supposed to be for dry skin types. And this moisturizer is fragrance free while the Neutrogena Hydro Boost is not fragrance free, so that is amazing. So let's see the consistency of this moisturizer. This is how it looks, kitties. It looks like cream, but it's not cream. It's like a hybrid formula between gel and cream. Let me show you a hand swatch. Do you see that? I honestly cannot tell the difference. Both are extremely lightweight and very good for summertime. I will let you know, I will update you how it performs on my face. Next is Laneige Cica Sleeping Mask. Now you know my obsession for Cica. Whenever I see Cica on the packaging, I'm like, give it to me. I am obsessed with it. It's my precious. But I did not like it. Like, first impressions were like, it's a very creamy thick formula, and you know me, I don't like creamy thick formulas for my skin. If you're a dry skin type, you might like it, but I prefer the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This one is alright. I wouldn't want to spend so much money on this sleeping mask, honestly. Like, let me show you how thick it is. It's like Pond's cream. It's like very ordinary. I was not impressed. Alright, next is Clinique Moisture Surge, but it is new, updated version of 72 hours. This one is 100 hours, and honestly, I have tried it, tested it for few days, and I feel that this one is more moisturizing, more nourishing, and lasts longer, even longer than the Clinique 72 hours. So yes, I definitely prefer the new and updated version over the 72-hour one. Also, they provided more quantity for the same price. Like, both are minis, but I feel the quantity in this one is more. No, both are 15 ml, but you can see the size. Like, this one is bigger and it's full to the brim. Let me show you. See? Let's do a hand swatch quickly. This moisturizer is so good for summertime and for sensitive skin types because it is 100% fragrance free. So let me just massage it into my skin, and it is so lightweight. Always moisturize your skin, even if you're super oily skin type. If you don't want to age faster, use moisturizer in your skincare routine. I recently restocked a lot of my old skincare favorites from COSRX. I also placed an order for this Snail 92 all-in-one cream. So it's one of my favorite anti-aging cream. I have finished one tub of it, and with all honesty, I can tell you that this cream actually works on wrinkles and fine lines. Next, I have the COSRX Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. Now, this sleeping mask is strictly for dry skin type. It's very nourishing, very hydrating for the skin. So let me show you. I'm a combination skin type, but currently my skin is peeling from all over the places, so I had to repurchase this sleeping mask because it's extremely hydrating. Let me show you the swatch. Like, it is extremely nourishing, creamy, moisturizing. Love this. Next is Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, but this ain't magic. Nay, it's definitely not worth the money, not worth the hype. I have so many amazing moisturizers, so many better moisturizers for lesser price. It's 15 ml for 2,500 rupees for an ordinary cream. Like, I don't mind spending so much money on skincare products, you know me, but this one hurt me. Like, it's full of fragrance. Let me show you. So this is how it looks. I honestly don't understand the hype around it. Nothing stood out to me. It does give a little bit of glow, but it's for dry skin type only. I wouldn't recommend it for oily skin type. You know, like, after few years, my left hand will be younger than my right hand because I do all the hand swatches on this one. I almost forgot to show you my new bottle of Klairs Vitamin C Serum. I have finished the previous bottle, and I love vitamin C during summertime. And Klairs Vitamin C is my favorite vitamin C serum, you know that. Also, vitamin C is so good for that glow, but it also protects your skin from sun damage and UV rays. Now, last is Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer. It's a toner, but it's very moisturizing. I got it very recently, but I have finished quite a lot of it, and it was featured in my spring skincare routine video. So you can see how it looks on my skin, and my skin has been peeling, has been very dry, so I've been using more moisturizing skincare products. If you want to see my skincare routine for weather change, let me know in the comment section and I will do it for you. Okay, so I also got simple face washes, kind to skin face washes, but this one is refreshing and this one is moisturizing, but I prefer the refreshing one over moisturizing. Surprisingly, moisturizing kind of skin face wash is not very moisturizing. Like, I felt that it stripped my face of its natural oils, so I definitely prefer the refreshing one. Sensitive, acne prone, oily, dry, all of the skin types, this one is for you. I also repurchased the Juicy Chemistry Helichrysum and Rosehip oil. It works on the hyperpigmentation, and I like to use it in the night time after my glycolic acid toner. Then I also repurchased the Plum cleansing balm. It's one of my favorite cleansing balm. Removes even the waterproof makeup. So gentle on the skin. And if you have L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, it removes that mascara. That's all for today's skincare haul. If you like this video, don't forget to like and smash the subscribe button. And I will see you. Bye kitties.